Ito po yung Fisheries Scientific Conference. No po. Actually, pang-pito na siyang scientific conference. Ipinanganak to noong 2009 as parang technical symposium bago mangyari yung Fish Conservation Week. No? Parang ang gusto ng BIFAR noon magkaroon ng scientific discussions. No? And so kaya nabuhay itong Fisheries Scientific Conference.
Ang major objective po nito is to consolidate po ng mga researches ng iba't ibang institutions as well as to highlight po ng mga R&D efforts po ng NFRDI. And this will also become our basis para po maging ma-streamline po namin ang aming mga programs para maiwasan po yung mga overlapping as well as yung nadodoble po yung mga R&D efforts when it comes to fisheries. Ang NFRDI po kasi is the research arm of Bureau of Fisheries, and Bureau of Fisheries is tasked to manage the fisheries resources of the country. Kaya kami po bilang research arm po ng NFRDI is mainly para malaman po yung mga programa na mga researches ng mga institutions para naman po yung mga programs na ginagawa na ng ibang agencies is hindi na namin ma-duplicate para din ma-maximize yung resources po ng government, and para din po may pakita sa public na ang gobyerno ay hindi po nagpapabaya pagdating po sa mga efforts sa management, conservation, as well as assistance po para sa mga ating fisher folk. And more importantly, ang event na ito will become a venue para mai-transfer, mai-disseminate, mai-cascade po ang mga resulta ng ating mga researches para naman po mapakinabangan ng ating industriya at saka para po hindi rin po mapabayaan ng sektor ng pangingisda. Nakahati po sa apat na tema yung ating fisheries cycle ngayon, no? Yung capture fisheries, yung aquaculture, yung post-harvest and marketing, and yung cross-cutting issue. And this year, ang nakita nating magandang pag-usapan is yung climate change tsaka yung disaster risk reduction management sa fisheries sector. So, bawat tema po na yun, no? Maraming mga pag-aaral na pinresent, mga bagong pag-aaral, no? Na pinresent. Sa capture fisheries, halimbawa mo, nandyan yung mga pananaliksik gamit na ng mga satellite data, pananaliksik sa mga fishing closure, whether it's locally managed or national. Sa aquaculture, very interesting, even parasites, no? Pinag-uusapan natin parasites sa isda, and even yung mga viruses, no? Sa post-harvest naman, no? Again, yung post-harvest losses, pinag-uusapan, paano ba makatulong para mabawasan yung post-harvest losses. And doon sa climate change and disaster risk reduction management naman, pinakita doon kung saan na papunta, tinitignan ng BIFAR, saan papunta yung ating mga programa para hindi tayo masyadong magulantang sa mangyayaring pagbabago gawa ng climate change. At kasama na doon kung may mga sakonang darating na bigla, kagaya ng malalakas na bagyo. And dahil may ganong pananaw at plano, paano ngayon itong mga yung pala sa aquaculture, kagaya nung na-present ng ating yung very simple paraan kung saan mapapalamig mo yung fish pond such that may improve mo yung pangingitlog ng mga tilapia, for example. So pinakita niya na by simple, putting a shade, mukhang pwede nating labanan yung darating na pag-init ng panahon pagdating sa fish production. So, ang sinasabi ko po ngayon, itong mga pag-aaral na to ay pwede na nating idugtong for fisheries management, for sustainable fisheries, and even for climate change, disaster risk na issues na pwede na natin itong gamitin.
I'm elated that we have a science conference. It will put into the fire, matitest po yung mga research output of NFRDI. You know, a scientific conference will give an opportunity for your peers to look at your work closely, and then not for criticizing it, but for the opinion of others, how they will evaluate your work. A true research work should be peer-reviewed by people from outside. Isang objective evaluation from another perspective of other scientists, other researchers, or the stakeholders that has something at stake in your work. A research work should be something that could solve a problem. And in this case, it should be a problem of the fisherfolk, a problem of those in the industry and of the stakeholders. Because NFRDI is not your basic research institution. It is the research arm of BFAR. And it is in BFAR where stakeholders come and present their problems. So we want to be something, we want NFRDI to be something that is responsive to the stakeholders of the Bureau. And one way that I could fulfill the vision of the Institute is to have researchers and research work that are responsive to the concerns. So a scientific conference will gather your peers, people from the academe, and they will look at your work and find if it is useful for them or for the stakeholders. And this is a great opportunity to interact with them. And from the way they look at your work, maybe they can offer you better suggestions to improve your work. Or next time, they can also present a new problem which you can tackle the following year. So I see this as an opportunity, and an opportunity of NFRDI, its research staff, to meet peers, to meet people from the academe, to meet people from the industry and from other research institutions. And this is a learning process for us. I know it will make NFRDI a better research institute if we conduct this every now and then.
Napakaganda po. If I'm not mistaken, about 200 po more than 200 yung ating participants from all over maraming iba't ibang stakeholders, primarily SUCs, national government agencies. May ilang private sector actually dumating. But ito yung siguro kailangang tutukan pa in the future na to bring in more industry and stakeholders to this forum. Ngayon, ang challenge namin, for example, this one, ito ngayong information na nakuha natin, no? Scientific information, world-class information yung level, mai-package namin ngayon, papunta naman sa BFAR management. Paano gagamitin na itong mga pwede nang gamitin for management. Paano ngayon ma-extend na, kung may mga teknolohiya na dyan na pwede na, ready na, paano ngayon mai-transfer sa BFAR para ma-extend naman sa baba at the national scale. So yun po yung mga unang tinitingnan namin. And of course, yun yung short term. For the yung susunod po na SciCon, kasi we did it for every 2 years na, no? So ngayon pa lang naisip na namin na kung pwede siyang mas malaki, and hindi na lang capture, aquaculture, post-harvest. Kung hindi, kasi sa capture, mas-subdivide mo na yung mga information into mas specific topics pa eh. Like meron para sa mga juveniles, fishery. Sa capture, no? Meron sa boats lang. No? Kasi I feel, dahil maraming information na na-generate ang mga Filipino scientists, kailangan na nating marinig lahat yon. At mangyayari yon kung lalakihan natin yung SciCon, and tapos dadamihan pa natin yung stakeholders na makaka-attend. Like industry, for example. Such that sa susunod na SciCon pa lang, nagkakaroon na ng interaction among the stakeholders, science, policy, private sector, and yung small fishermen and the commercial fishers.
Ang masasabi ko po, salamat po sa suporta na binigay po ninyo sa NFRDI. At kung wala po yung suporta ninyo, maaaring itong aming programang ito ay hindi po naging isang successful one. At sana po, suportahan po ninyo ang NFRDI sa aming mga research efforts kasi kailangan po namin yung tulong ng mga mangingisda at ng akademya at kahit na po ng mga NGO.
Of course, I wish to congratulate the staff, especially the staff who put up this conference. I know they exerted their best effort. Marami sila. I cannot name all of them. They are in various committees. And I express appreciation sa kanilang effort that in fact, I am surprised and impressed na they were able to put up this conference. It's so well organized. Congratulations to the NFRDI staff.